Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Just in case you ever wondering what to do with those old cupcake tins that you find. They work excellently for sorting, especially multiple items. This bin is just packed full of stuff. So I dump out the bin, well, kind of dump out the bin. Lay out the stuff on the table. And with these little washers, it's hard to pick them up, so I just use a magnet. That way I don't have to spend a whole lot of time doing it. And when I'm done, I can go on and do something else just as exciting. And when I'm done, I can go on and do something else just as exciting. There's no rush on this stuff. Just something to do. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union.
without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.